Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Bobby Stryker. I'm the founder of Flow Physique Factory here at 3F.Energy. I'm also the clinical director of Rescue.sg, a home visiting doctor service in Singapore. So yes, I'm an actual medical doctor and I've been practicing medicine for almost 20 years now, both in the UK where I'm from and also in Singapore. So I have a background in family medicine and I've been helping my patients lose weight successfully and keep it off for almost 20 years now. And one of those patients was actually me. So I've come through my experiences and I've learned a great deal and combined that with all the latest research and science out there to make sure it's all filtered out to give you a very focused and efficient program through Flow to help you get into shape, lose fat, and keep it off successfully. I've helped a lot of patients, my own patients, over the years, and I've learned a lot of things through helping them about yo-yo dieting, difficulties they've had, losing weight and still not being happy with their body image, how to keep the weight off and then be happy with it. And there's a lot of nuances to this, and all the research and everything that's out there, filtering it, removing the noise, cutting down to the essence of it to give you a very focused and efficient plan to give you sustainable results. That's what Flow Physique Factory is all about. It's about getting the results you want through real science-based, evidence-based, proven methods, and then being able to keep those results. This isn't going to offer you a customized 8-week plan. How can you offer an 8-week plan when everyone has a different starting point? It doesn't make sense. And this isn't about cutting out food groups, things which are not sustainable. We don't want you to look good and feel good just for a few weeks and then rebound. This is going to be an evidence-based approach to deliver sustainable results. And it's not going to be all full of science and jargon. I've taken care of all of that so you don't have to. This is just going to give you what you need to get the results you want. And you're going to have a good time doing it, yeah? It's going to be designed and planned around the lives of real people so you can customize your own plan. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get into it. Let's get into the Flow Physique Factory. Let's get into the Flow method. If you want your very own Hollywood superhero body transformation, that does not mean doing hours and hours of cardio, HIIT workouts, spin classes. It means getting out of your comfort zone, picking up a dumbbell, making the weights room in your gym your best friend. But fret not, we have the Flow exercise manual here. We explain everything to you. We show you how to do it. Whether you're a beginner or you're an advanced trainer, we're going to show you how to do it. There's routines in here to fit your lifestyle, whether you want to train twice a week, all the way up to 6 times a week. An exercise library where we go through each individual exercise, showing you exactly how to perform it clearly and easily so you can do it yourself and become your own celebrity personal trainer. You can do this, you can train yourself, you can get into the best shape of your life. We're going to show you how, and that's right now. And when you pair this with our method manual and our cookbook, the results are going to be undeniable, guys. Just be ready to buy a whole new wardrobe to fit your new physique. We did it. Let's get after it. So there you go, guys. For years, I thought I could only help my own patients, but now through Flow, I can help you wherever you are. You really don't need a celebrity personal trainer, personal chef, motivational speaker, nutritionist. Our plans have done all of the hard work, so you can do it all yourself. Your curated personal body transformation plan, it's all right here. And to complement that, we've got our newsletter and our social media pages and our blog where you can see all the latest information. We deliver it to you so you can continue your transformation journey. If you want to follow us, please do so. If you want to see a different side of the team, check out our medical page, rescue.sg. You can see the behind the scenes medical activity and the doctoring stuff that we do visiting our patients. So I really hope you enjoyed the plans and the methods that we presented to you. Please send us your body transformations. We can't wait to see them. Take care, guys. We'll see you all soon.